The purpose of this video tutorial is to explain how to do confidence intervals on a single sample using Minitab. So first of all, you need to have your data in Minitab. The default is to have your data in a single column, and we're going to do the one sample T for the mean of our data. So first we need to select which data we have. We have to click into this box and then click the data that we want to perform the test on, or rather the confidence interval, and then select, and then that will push the label into that box, and that means that's the data that we're using. Now the default, if we click nothing from here, is to create a confidence interval, two-sided confidence interval. So we click the OK button, and we can see here that we've done a confidence interval at the 95% level, and that we have a two-sided confidence interval. If we want to do a one-sided confidence interval or a different confidence level, we'll do the same procedure, but we'll go into the options. Now notice here it's saved whatever you had before, so it has the wait time preloaded. We can also ask it to perform a hypothesis test. But if we don't want that, here we can change the confidence level to 90. And then if we change the hypothesis mean here, even though we aren't doing a hypothesis test, this is where we set up to do a single-sided confidence interval. So we click options, mean is less than the hypothesized mean. And then we're going to click OK. And we see now what's been created is a single sample, one-sided confidence interval. So notice that we have just the upper bound here. There is no lower bound for a single-sided interval. And then we have the 90% confidence.